I've been running Fedora now for almost exactly 1 year, and I'm going to be honest with you, my system is a total mess. I have no idea what is installed. Dev packages are everywhere, and that learning phase has left me with 3,764 packages. It's time for a radical rebuild, but I'm not ready to make that final call. I need your help to decide how we do it. Now, I mentioned on stream recently that the anniversary of my Fedora install would be the perfect time to upgrade to Fedora 44. The only problem is the system actually runs great. I have no real reason to touch it. But after a year of installing every flatpak, dev library and random tool to test things and see how it works, I have no idea what's actually going on anymore. It's time to move from the learning build to an intentional one. But before we get onto the options though, let me show you what we are working with in terms of hardware, because this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Now, my drive 1, which is my main 2TB drive, is the heart of the system. It has my root, my boot and my home partition. It's all there. Drive 2 is a 4TB NVMe. It's the heavy lifter. This is where my Steam library lives and my OBS records to, before they head over to the NAS. And then drive 3. This is the interesting one. It's a PCIe card with a 2TB NVMe attached to it. It's currently blank and it's unformatted. So my big question for the hardware gurus is this: will putting my home directory on that PCIe card be a performance trap? Or will it be the perfect way to isolate my data? Let me know in the comments. Now, with that in mind, here are the 3 directions that I've come up with. Option 1, the optimization path. We don't wipe, we perform a deep surgical audit. I manually comb through all 3,764 RPMs and 50 flatpaks to strip it back to the essentials. It keeps my original install date streak alive, but is it really worth the manual labour? Option 2, the migration. I shift my home folder to that empty PCIe drive and then remap it. It solves the organisation issue, but I'm still dragging a year's worth of hidden config clutter with me. And what is the risk of having home directory on that PCIe card? Will I feel a hit in daily use? Option 3, this is the nuclear option, a total wipe, clean slate. I back up the root to my NAS, install a fresh Fedora 44 and then map my home directory to that new drive from day one. I'd only bring back the configs I actually need. It's the freshest start, but it's also the most setup time. So here's the thing, I am genuinely torn and would absolutely love your input. If you've hit this 1 year milestone, what did you do? Are my 3,764 packages a badge of honour or a total disaster? I'm going to be reading every single suggestion to make my final choice for the rebuild video. If you're excited to see how this turns out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now tell me in the comments, which path would you take? Thank you so much for watching, you guys take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.